Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and very good morning to all of you. I hope you are safe and sound. Welcome to Melly's Telegram classes. This is the grammar lesson for intermediate level part 1. In this lesson today, we're going to talk about the simple future tense in passive voice. So first of all, let's talk about the verb forms that are used in active and passive voice. In active voice, we use verb 1. In passive voice, we use verb 3. In active voice, the auxiliary verbs are will, shall. But in passive voice, we use will or shall plus be. Let's talk about the positive structure. That is, subject plus will or shall plus be plus verb 3 plus by phrase. For example, the teacher will help the students. In this sentence, the teacher is the subject. Will is a helping verb. Help is verb 1. And the students is the object. If you want to change it to passive voice, you have to say, the students will be helped by the teacher. In this sentence, if you compare it with the structure, the students is a subject. Will be is a helping verb. Helped is verb 3, and by the teacher is by phrase. I shall remind you again. You will be reminded again by me. Naeem will send the emails. The emails will be sent by Naeem. Now let's talk about the negative structure, that is, subject plus will or shall plus not plus be plus verb 3 plus by phrase. So here we simply use not between will or shall and be. For example, the teacher won't help them. In passive voice, you have to say, they won't be helped by the teacher. They is a subject, won't is a helping verb part, be is a part of the helping verb, helped is verb 3, and by the teacher is by phrase. Example number 2, I shall not remind you again. You will not be reminded again by me. Naeem will not send the emails. The emails will not be sent by Naeem. Now let's talk about the positive interrogative structure. Will or shall plus subject plus be plus verb 3 plus by phrase. So in the positive interrogative structure, you just need to use will or shall at the beginning of the sentence. Do not forget that you don't need to use be with will or shall in this case. For example, will the teacher help them? Will they be helped by the teacher? Here, will is the helping verb, they is the subject, be is a part of the helping verb, helped is verb 3, and by the teacher is the by phrase. As I told you, you cannot say, will be they helped by the teacher, that is wrong. Next example, will I remind you? Will you be reminded by me? Will Naeem send the emails? Will the emails be sent by Naeem? Now let's have an oral exercise. Here, you have to change the following sentences to passive voice. I will do the first one and you do the rest of them. Number 1, he will write a story. A story will be written by him. Now I want you guys to do the rest of them. Alright, let me share the answers with you. Number 2, will they light the fire? Will the fire be lit by them? 3, police will chase the thief. The thief will be chased by the police. 4, they will slap you. You will be slapped by them. 5. He will digest this food. This food will be digested by him. 6. Will you leave him? Will he be left by you? Number 7. They will not pull this truck. This truck will not be pulled by them. 8. He will tell them the fact. They will be told the fact by them. In this sentence, we have two objects, them and the fact. And the rule is that you have to bring the first object to the beginning of the sentence, the object that is nearest to the verb. Number 9. Will they saw this tree? Will this tree be sawn by them? And number 10, you will send him there. So here, the object is him, not there. He will be sent there by you. Now let's do one more oral exercise. In this part, you have to change the following sentences into active voice. Now let me do the first one. The car will not be bought by me. I will not buy the car. Good luck with the rest of them. So, let me share the answers with you. Number 2. Will she not be called by the man? Will the man not call her? Number 3. The paper will not be signed by me. I will not sign the paper. Number 4. Mansoor will be tested by his teacher. His teacher will test Mansoor. Number 5. She will be called by me. I will call her. Number 6. We shall be punished by the teacher. The teacher will punish us. Do not say the teacher shall, because shall is used only with I and we. Number 7. A story will be written by us. We will write a story. And number 8. Ahmad will be given a class by the management. The management will give Ahmad a class. This concludes our session for today. Do not forget the exercise that is attached to the same video. Remember, this was just a short version of our today's lesson. The same lesson is taught in complete details in our regular classes. Thank you very much for being with us.